Quick report on SK57ZKC. So I want to see what's going on here with the noise on this this rear wheel. Now the brakes aren't on, the handbrake's not on, and that is tight. So that's binding. And this one is not binding. That's not binding. And that's not binding. So, and I can see here, those brake pads are very good. So what's happened is, this side has started to bind and it's worn the brake pads out. And that's happened since sale. But let's have a closer look. So this is the passenger side, and with the wheel off, we can see there the pad very clearly. Now, these pads were new prior to sale, and the discs were new prior to sale. So they're still in very good condition. On this side, however, we can see that the pad there has virtually worn all its friction parts away. So that's why we're making a noise. Now I've got to find out why that's happened. I believe it could be one of two things. It could be the caliper is seized, it's not uncommon, or the handbrake cable could be binding. So this is the handbrake cable. When you pull the handbrake, that moves, and that's moving freely. So I'm pretty sure it's not that, it's the caliper. So the caliper's seized. This is not something specific to a Mini. All cars have got similar systems for braking, and they can all get old and they can all seize. This one's fine, and you can see the pads are good and the disc's moving well. And this one, the disc isn't moving very well at all, and the pads are worn away, and that's why you've got the noise. There's nothing fundamentally wrong with the car. So the other thing to say is brakes, brake pads and so on, it's a maintenance item, it's not covered under warranty officially, but we offer a no quibble 3-month warranty on the cars we sell, and this, we will replace the caliper, put new disc pads on both sides as part of our after service without question. So what we've done is replace the caliper. You can see that's a new caliper there. We've also changed the pads both sides, and now the car moves easily. So just showing that the car rolls without any binding at all, and also no noise. So that worrying noise that you're experiencing came from the caliper that was binding, and now that's been repaired and everything is good. No undue noises from the car.